All right, let's go over our alphabet together. We start with the letter A. Can you point to A? Good. Can you say ah, ah? And the picture is apple. Next is the letter B. Can you point to the letter B? B says B, B, B. And this is a picture of a ball. This is the letter C. Can you point to the letter C? C says K, K, as in this is a cat. This is the letter D. Can you point to D? D says D, D, as in the picture, dog. This is the letter E. Can you point to the letter E? E says eh, 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 as in edge. This is the letter F. Can you point to the letter F? F says like the picture of a fish. This is the letter G. Can you point to the letter G? G says G, 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 as in guitar. This is the letter H. Can you point to the letter H? H says as in it's very hot. This is the letter I. Can you point to the letter I? I says eh, 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 as in the picture of an igloo. This is the letter J. Can you point to the letter J? J says J, J, like the picture, jacket. This is the letter K. Can you point to the letter K? K says K, 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 as in the picture of a key, key. This is the letter L. Can you point to the letter L? L says ooh, ooh, like the picture of a lion. This is the letter M. Can you point to the letter M? M says like you just had such a yummy meal. As in the picture of a monkey. This is the letter N. Can you point to the letter N? N says like the picture of a nose. This is the letter O. Can you point to the letter O? O says ah, 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 as in the picture of a octopus. This is the letter P. Can you point to the letter P? P says p, p, as in the picture of a pig. This is the letter Q. Can you point to the letter Q? Q says qu, qu, as in our queen. This is the letter R. R says r, r, as in rainbow, rainbow. It's very quick. R, r. This is the letter S. Can you point to the letter S? S says s, s, as in the picture of a snake. This is the letter T. Can you point to the letter T? T says t, 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 as in our favorite Thanksgiving treat, turkey. This is the letter U. Can you point to the letter U? That's U. U says as in umbrella. This is the letter V. Can you point to the letter V? V says as in volcano. This is the letter W. Can you point to the letter W? W says like water. This is the letter X. Can you point to the letter X? Great job. And X says X, X, like at the end of the word box, box, X. This is the letter Y. Y says ye, as in yo-yo, yellow, ye. This is the letter Z. Z, can you point to Z? Good job. Z says zzz, zzz, or zzz, 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 as in a zebra.